Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys doing well and absolutely well, I guess. Yesterday I had posted on Instagram that what do you wanna see, like what my audience wanna see, and there were certain criteria like tutorials or something I had mentioned, and most of them were like tutorials and generation tech. So this will be the combination of generation tech and tutorials. So like we will be exploring the AI field. Let's get started with this. Today we will be exploring the NVIDIA Canvas app, which is from NVIDIA, and you can just see where you can download it from. You need to type NVIDIA Canvas. So it will take you to this site and just click there and download the beta version. And there's a requirement for this. This needs the RTX cards, which are like 3050, 3060 or 3070 RTX. So I have a 3050 RTX so that it can run smoothly on your computer. So that's the requirement. So then let's get started with this. This is the layout, how it looks. So this is going to be a super amazing tutorial for you and you will enjoy doing this stuff. So like this is the basic layout what we get. There is one drawing pane on the left side and there is a output pane on the right side. So we can add layers, styles, materials. So we have certain things here: line, eraser, eyedropper tool for that also, and we have the size adjustment for the brush, mountains, so make sure that you fill everything so that AI does not get confused of what you are thinking about. So if you don't fill that, it will just have this foggy look, so make sure you do that. You need to fill it completely, whatever you draw. So this is the mountain. See how it develops the image. We will take the water. We'll have some water here. So you can just see how brilliant it gets. We'll have some clouds. Just see how it looks. So we'll have some two clouds, not a bad idea. And we'll have some forest here at the edge. It does not. It's a forest? No, I guess it's a forest. See? Now we will change the variation. Let's see what variation does. Right? You can just have a look at this output image right now. And let's have a different type of variation in this. Like, see, you can have multiple variations. This is amazing. This looks amazing. I'll keep this. So at night, see, this is how the place looks at night. You can have many seasons as well: normal, autumn, spring, winter season. Wow, I am impressed by this. And you can as well draw many things which you wish. See, this goes on and on. You can just go on like building stuff and doing things on with this. So we will have something. We will build a stone wall here. So you can just see on. See, there is somewhere. Okay. See just how good it gets. Now we will have some grass on the top of the wall. Like, why not? If we can build something, we will build it. And let's have some flowers in this grass. Eraser as well. We can erase whatever you wish to have. So you can press Ctrl Z as well. So if you make some mistakes, it goes out. So these are the types of variations which you get. We have two export options, like you can save this in PSD file as well. So Photoshop, you can go and edit it in Photoshop, or else we can save it in a PNG. So you can go post it out and let your friends know that you have created something on AI. RJ1. So this will be my image. So yeah, and you can save this file as canvas file as well. So save this file, and I don't know, maybe you can use it some other day. So this was a short brief about this and how good it looks. You can create multiple types of landscapes, and just tag me in at the South Indian guy, that South Indian guy on Instagram, and please do follow this, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are further more videos coming out soon, and we will be having a blast learning many of the things which are futuristic. Leave this video a like and comment down your views, like what are you creating and what are you going to create with this, and just tag me in your outputs, and if you're posting somewhere, tag me and let me know that you created it with the AI. Thank you everyone for watching this till the end, and make sure you subscribe.